for my boys to help them choose their fruits and vegetables. As a mom of 4 growing boys, I wanted to do what I could to send them out into the world with some tips from home. I'm always telling you to fill up with your fruits and veggies, so today I want to give you some tips on how to shop for them. First tip, I like to pick organic or greenhouse grown, so check your package. This way you stay away from as many pesticides as possible. Second tip, buy local when you can. So for us, it would mean the southeastern states like Florida or Georgia. If not, I do like to stick to produce from the USA if it's possible. Third tip, if there's a date, choose the latest date. So if I had a choice between January 5th and the 11th, I would choose the 11th. You want your veggies to be as fresh as possible once you finally get to them. Okay, boys, so remember, choose organic or greenhouse grown, buy as local as possible, and choose the latest date you see. And Mommy loves you. As always, if you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.